Hello everybody, welcome again to the lecture series on satellite communication. In the last lecture we have seen about the attitude and orbit control system, and in this lecture we will see about the TTCM system. TTCM subsystem means telemetry tracking, commanding and monitoring system. And these are the learning outcomes of this lecture. By the completion of this lecture you will be able to understand what the TTCM system is. TTCM means just now I have told about this one, that is telemetry tracking, commanding and monitoring system. And the function of the TTCM subsystem also you will be known about this one. And the comparison of the telemetry subsystem and commanding subsystem we can able to see. Comparison means actually these two are opposite to each other. In the functionality wise these two are opposite to each other. So you can able to compare these two. Now TTCM subsystem. This TTCM subsystem is available in both Earth station and in the satellite system. So the purpose of this TTCM subsystem we will see now. Actually the satellites are getting the information by the sensors. Satellite is having the sensors. By using these sensors the satellite is getting the information about the Earth. And because this is available, this functionality is available in this TTCM system, and after getting the information by the sensors it will be retransmitted to the same Earth station or another Earth station. So this entire thing will be done by using this TTCM subsystem. Next, after placing the satellite into its orbit, the taking care of that satellite position and altitude of that particular orbit will also be done by the satellite operator who is in the Earth station. This entire process is also done by the TTCM subsystem only. And same thing is given here. The satellite is getting the data from the sensors. So the telemetry subsystem present in the satellite sends the data to the Earth station. We can make the TTCM subsystem into the following three parts. Actually this TTCM means you can able to see telemetry tracking, commanding and monitoring system is there, and we can subdivide this one into in three categories. One is telemetry and monitoring subsystem, and second one is tracking, and then commanding subsystem. Like that we can able to take, and we will study like that only. Combinedly we will study about the telemetry and monitoring system, and then the tracking system, and then this commanding system. Now we will see telemetry and monitoring subsystem. As I said, this is available in both satellite and Earth station. What is meant by telemetry? Telemetry is nothing but measurement at a longer distance is nothing but telemetry. So this is, if you think with respect to the Earth station, we can able to identify the position and the altitude of the satellite can be identified by using this one, that is available with respect to this Earth station. And with respect to satellite also we can able to get the information about the Earth. And the word about telemetry is nothing but measurement at a longer distance, and these are the operations will be performed here. Whatever the operations can be done by using this telemetry and monitoring system means, with respect to Earth station first I will tell. With respect to Earth station means we need to transfer the data from one place to another place, that is called communication. If that communication is involving the satellite, that is called satellite communication. And in that process, for example, one physical signal has been generated. For example, my speech signal has been generated, but it cannot be processed directly. That physical signal cannot be processed directly, so that it has to be converted into the electrical signal. The physical signal should be converted to the electrical signal, and then because we are using the digital communication, the process, all the modulations are going to be done using FSK and PSK. These are digital modulation techniques. So this analog electrical signal should be converted to the digital. So we need to use here encoding operation, and then it will be transmitted into the free space towards the satellite. So these are the things will be done by using this telemetry subsystem which is available in the earth station. Having this physical data, then it is converting into the electrical data. That means here this physical energy is converting to electrical energy, that is called transducing action. So here by using the transducers we can convert to physical energy into the electrical signal or electrical energy, then it will be converted into the digital data by using encoding process, then that will be transmitted towards the satellite. These are the steps will be going in the earth station. These are the steps are going to be done in the telemetry and monitoring subsystem which is available in the earth station, and the same system is available in the satellite also. And in this satellite, the first thing is it has to receive whatever the data is transmitted from this system. So it will receive that one, and again it will retransmit into the same earth station or different earth station. So these are the things will be done by using this telemetry and monitoring subsystem. So generation of an electrical signal which is proportional to the quantity which is to be measured. That means it is a physical quantity. In proportion to this one we are going to generate one electrical signal. Then the encoding of that electrical signal will be done, and then that will be transmitted. Now the telemetry subsystem present in the satellite performs mainly two functions. Already I told about this one, that is receiving and retransmitting will be done. Then satellites have quite a few sensors. Already I told about the sensors. That is, satellite is getting the information by using the sensors. So by starting this topic I have told about this one. Okay, using the sensors the satellite can able to get the information. What type of information it will get in the sense, pressure, temperature and status of all the subsystems will be done. That means it is monitoring all the subsystems by taking the information from the sensors like pressure, temperature and status of the various subsystems it will be taken, and what type of modulations will be performed means FSK or PSK. Then telemetry subsystem is a remote control system. It sends the monitoring data from the satellite to the earth station. Generally the telemetry signals carry the information related to altitude and environment of the subsystems which are available in the earth station. So altitude means the height of the satellite, and the position of the satellite will also be done. Mainly that will be taken care in the tracking subsystem. Then tracking subsystem. Tracking subsystem means we have to track here the satellite. That means we need to tell in which position the satellite is available. That will be taken care by using this tracking subsystem. In which position means in which direction it is available, and the altitude of the satellite. If you know these two things, then we can able to keep our earth station antenna towards the satellite. That information can be obtained by using the look angles. In the first unit already we have completed the topic, that is look angles. If you have the look angle information, that is azimuthal angle and elevation angle, then our earth station antenna can be kept towards the satellite, then only the maximum signal transmission can be possible. So that will be done by using this tracking system only. In that concept we did not talk about this tracking system, but that look angles concept will be taken care by using this tracking subsystem only. So as I said, tracking subsystem is useful to know the position of the satellite and its current orbit, in which orbit it is available, that will also be done. The satellite control center monitors the working and status of the space segment subsystems. Already we know two types of the subsystems are available. Those are ground subsystem and space segment, ground segment subsystem and space segment subsystem. All these things are related to both ground segment subsystems and space segment subsystems. TTCM subsystem itself is in both segments it is available. So it is taking care of all these subsystems. That means whatever the remaining subsystems are there, like whatever the first subsystem we have studied, that is altitude and orbit control system, about that one, and telemetry, tracking, monitoring and commanding, all these subsystems. Tracking means what is the position and altitude of all these subsystems will be taken care by using this one. And the tracking subsystem is also present in any earth station. That one already I have told. It mainly focuses on the range and look angles. So from the earth station wherever the earth station is available on the earth, we have to draw one local horizontal plane. At that point only we have to draw the look angles, and from that point onwards we can able to get the distance between the earth station and the satellite, that is called range. So range we can able to know, and look angles concept we can able to apply here to get the exact position of the satellite. That means we are tracking the satellite. And by using this velocity and acceleration techniques, it is possible to get the tracking of the satellite. Next, commanding subsystem. Here simply we can able to tell that commanding subsystem means we have to give, that means from the earth station we have to give certain command to the satellite, and that will be implemented by the satellite. So that will be taken care by using this commanding subsystem. Commanding subsystem is necessary in order to launch the satellite in an orbit. That means by giving the commands only it will also be done. It's working in that orbit. Here we have to know about this control codes also. These control codes are converted to the commands only. From the earth station, one command will be sent to the satellite, and again this command will be retransmitted to the satellite. Here we have to check that one. One command we are sending to the satellite, that is retransmitting to the earth station again. So after retransmitting that command signal from the satellite, it has to be checked at the earth station. Then only that command will be executed by using in the satellite. So that is there here. Initially the validity of the command words is checked in the satellite. After this, these command words can be sent back to the earth station. From the earth station only we are sending the command to the satellite, but instead of implementing this one or executing this one, that command words will be retransmitting to the earth station in order to checking purpose. After that only it will be executed. Here these command words are checked once again and then executed. Next, as I said, from the learning outcomes, this telemetry subsystem and commanding subsystem are opposite to each other, because here you can able to see that one. The first one, that means telemetry subsystem transmits the satellite's information to the earth station. So telemetry subsystem means from the satellite to the earth station the information will be going on. But by using this commanding subsystem, we are giving the command to the satellite, that means we are in the earth station only. So from the earth station the commands are going to the satellite, so it is from bottom to top. And but for the first one, that is telemetry subsystem, is from satellite to the earth station. So these two, the direction is opposite to each other. So we can tell the telemetry subsystem and the commanding subsystem are opposite to each other. So this is about telemetry, tracking, commanding and monitoring subsystems. So, and these are the quiz questions you can able to answer by using this lecture. Explain about the TTCM subsystem, that means orally you need to write everything, you need to write about this one, TTCM subsystem, and then you have to compare telemetry subsystem and commanding subsystem, that means these two are opposite to each other. Telemetry subsystem means from the satellite the commands are giving to the earth station, but in case of commanding subsystem, from the earth station the commands are going to the satellite. So because these two are, so by understanding this one we can tell these two are opposite in those processes. Thank you.